Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can allocate a part payment for a purchase using Hubdoc and Xero. So let's get started. In this guide, I'll walk you through the full process even if you're a complete beginner or using the demo company. First, log into Hubdoc and click on Documents from the menu on the left. Upload a bill or choose any existing bill from the demo company. You can simply drag and drop a PDF or an image. Once the document opens, Hubdoc will automatically extract the supplier name, date, and amount. Make sure the document type is set to Bill. After confirming everything is correct, click on Publish, select your demos and organization, and publish it. This will create a new bill inside Xero. Next, open Xero and go to Business, then Bills to Pay, where you'll find the bill you just published from Hubdoc. Open the bill to see the outstanding amount. If you want to add a part payment directly from the bill screen, simply click Add Payment at the bottom, enter the amount paid, the payment date, and the bank account you used, then confirm by clicking Add Payment. Xero will apply the payment and leave the remaining balance as outstanding. Another method is through the Bank Transactions page. Go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts, and select your bank account, then open the Reconcile tab. If the bank feed shows a part payment, click the transaction. Xero will automatically detect the matching bill, and if the payment is less than the bill amount, it will show Part Match. Just click OK to reconcile, and Xero will allocate the part payment while keeping the rest unpaid. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.